Hello and welcome. Since 1987 to the till date, that is on 31st day of May month, is observed as No Tobacco Day, and it is celebrated across the world, focusing on enhancing the awareness of tobacco related life threatening conditions. This 2021 year message is quit tobacco to be the winner. In this context, tobacco smokers and chewers need to pledge themselves to relinquish their bad habit of smoking and chewing tobacco, so that he will be the winner for rest of his life and can lead a healthy, happy and lovely family. As per the World Health Organization, around 8 million people across the world are dying due to tobacco related non-infectious diseases, and amidst of this COVID pandemic situation, it may trigger with comorbidity. So kindly do not support for the tobacco related promotional advertisement in any media, and we being nurses and healthcare workers, our responsibility is to promote awareness on health hazards and mortality, morbidity conditions relevant to the usage of tobacco, especially among the community of youth generation. Also, I insist and urge to ban on selling tobacco related products in and around as well as close by schools and college campuses. Preventing smoking in public places to reduce the incidence of passive smokers also very important. The parents and teachers dealing with young teenage and adolescent children shall act as role model for building no tobacco community in future days in the world. Thank you.
Very good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Ramu, Dean, Faculty of Nursing, RGHS, Bangalore. First of all, hearty congratulations to the team of Harvey College of Nursing, especially my friend, Dr. Gajendra Singh, the principal of Harvey College of Nursing. Dr. Singh, you are doing excellent job to this society. You are doing lot of activities in the institution, right? You have invited from the institutions, from different institutions of Karnataka for the e-posters, and I have gone through the posters. The e-posters regarding tobacco, No Tobacco Day is really wonderful, excellent posters. Thank you so much for that. You have identified the creativity among the students, the really nice thing I can say. World No Tobacco Day is observed every year around the world on May 31st. The aim of this No Tobacco Day is to create awareness about the adverse effects of tobacco, and even as per the World Health Organization, 8 million people are what you can say that the tobacco kills 8 million people every year, right? Even the same World Health Organization says that the requested to quit the smoking immediately. Otherwise, what happened? This tobacco leads to this leads to infections, respiratory infections, even the death, right? So the WHO requested the public and requested them to take oath from all the public regarding quitting of this smoking, right? So hope the RV College is doing that, no doubt in that. One thing I would like to say, the first, just for knowledge purpose, the first smoker in the world is a Frenchman, Jean Nicot. This person introduced tobacco. So from that time onwards, it has that tobacco or smoking has spread to England and other neighboring countries. Now it has spread throughout the world, and because of this tobacco chewing, tobacco smoking, no doubt many people are suffering, many people have died also. This, it leads to cancer, respiratory infections, right? I think this. So I request, one thing, before that, the main theme of this RV call is go and change the Go and change. Really, it's excellent theme. I can say you are changing this. With your theme, you are changing. You are contributing to the society. You are changing the misconceptions of the public. So once again, hearty congratulations for such wonderful activities from RV College of Nursing. All the best. Be safe. Use the mask always. Right. Maintain social distance. Still, we have to fight to control this COVID. Once again, have a nice day. May God bless you, all of you. Thank you.
World No Tobacco Day is on 31st May of every year. This is to bring the awareness regarding the usage, the harmfulness and deadly complications of the usage of tobacco, and also to bring the global awareness regarding the tobacco epidemics as well as the preventable mortality and morbidity which is caused by the tobacco usage. So, as all of you know, nowadays the usage of tobacco has been exponentially increased in the young adults as well as the teenagers, as it is many hazards, health hazards causing cancers, especially the larynx cancer, oral cancers, lung cancers, renal cancers and so on. So the theme of this year, World No Tobacco Day of 2021 says commit to quit. So hereby I am requesting all commit yourself to quit this tobacco usage. Thank you.
ಮೇ 30ರಂದು ತಂಬಾಕು ರಹಿತ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ದಿನವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ತಂಬಾಕು ಸೇವನೆಯಿಂದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾನಿಕರ. ತಂಬಾಕು ಸೇವನೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಗಳು ಉಂಟಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾರಣಾಂತಿಕ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳ ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವ ವಿಚಾರ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವರು ವಿಷಯ ತಿಳಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಂಬಾಕು ಸೇವನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ತಂಬಾಕು ಸೇವನೆಯಿಂದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಧೂಮಪಾನ, ತಂಬಾಕು, ಸಿಗರೇಟು ಮತ್ತು ಬೀಡಿಗಳು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಕಾರಣವಾಗುವುದು. ತಂಬಾಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಹಾನಿಕರ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರಿಣಾಮವನ್ನು ಬೀರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ತರುವಂತಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಂಬಾಕುವನ್ನು ತ್ಯಜಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತವಾಗಿರಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ RV ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ತಂಬಾಕು ನಿರ್ಮೂಲನೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Good morning to one and all. Smoking leads to disease and disability and harms nearly every organ of the body. The World Tobacco Day is observed every year on 31st of May. So this year 2021, the theme for World Tobacco Day is Quit Tobacco to be a winner. According to WHO, the tobacco use kills more than 8 million people around the world each year. Smoking any kind of tobacco reduces the lung capacity and increases the severity of respiratory condition, especially this COVID situation. It makes worse. And also it is a responsibility of a nurse and every individual that he or she should create the awareness about quits tobacco. Thank you.
On the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, I urge each smoker to quit smoking. When a person smokes, he will be moving one step ahead towards his death or towards a chronic illness which will be affecting his heart. The productivity of a person slows down day by day once he starts smoking. I urge each smoker, whether he is an active smoker or a passive smoker, to spread the message of quit smoking. Quit smoking, be energetic, be productive in life.
One and all. As we all know, 31st May of every year we are celebrating World No Tobacco Day. This event helps to understand the worst effects of tobacco on the persons and their family members. We should encourage the smokers not to smoke for 24 hours at least one day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Siddheshwar here. So as we know that we are now going to create a campaign and create awareness regarding No Tobacco Day, I request all those who are indulged in the activities of using tobacco to kindly quit from today itself and take a step towards a healthy life.
Hello everyone. This year's World No Tobacco Day theme, that is Commit to Quit, given by WHO, has its own significance. We as a healthcare providers must help the people to quit tobacco and also help the quitters in adapting the same. The WHO has also given a toolkit for the quitters. First, set the quit date. Encourage the individuals to set a quit date, might be his birthday, anniversary or any significant event in his life. Second, encourage him to communicate the same with his family and friends so that he seeks a good social support system. Third, remove all the tobacco products from his environment, given a work environment or in a personal environment. Last, and the important one, curb the cravings. Teach the individual about the destructive methods so that he involves himself in the various activities other than in concentrating on the cravings. Like example, reading techniques, or it can be simple game or any kind of activities. We can also refer him to a physician where he can seek the nicotine patches to help in quitting. Make the world a tobacco-free place. Thank you.
Cancer is not a joke, so put down that smoke.
Quit tobacco, make everyone proud.
The only thing that tobaccos bring along with it is disease. Later it turns to death and despair your loved ones. Save yourself and your family members from the disaster like this by quitting tobacco. Commit to quit.